Let's talk about the next topic for this module, terms and definitions. And let me introduce this by talking just in general, something we'll discuss later. In your doctoral program, you are preparing to become scientists. As a scientist, you value facts, data, evidence, not opinions, perceptions, or dogma. This means that we have to understand the foundations upon which our field is based. And often, usually, that starts with the definitions that are widely accepted in the field. Definitions that other similar scientists, in our case, similar instructional technology and distance education people, subscribe to, use, write about, talk about, so that there is a commonality of use of language within the field, and as we express what we're talking about outside the field, we know what our colleagues who are also instructional technology and distance education people are talking about. Also, more on a direct basis, this is the basis upon which your doctoral dissertation research should be based. The foundation are the definitions of the field. Definitions such as educational instructional technology. Now, that seems straightforward, but this definition, the definition that we use, is one that our National Association has provided to us. And I've got some information, a video, and some articles that talk about the definition of instructional and educational technology. Distance education. Distance education doesn't just mean educating at a distance. It's a four-part definition that we in ITDE, in our field, subscribe to, that you should use and will become very aware of and knowledgeable about as you take more courses in the program. And on a more general sense, as I said, we're going to be scientists, so we need to understand clearly what that means as scientists. What's the definition of science? The scientific method, something we first learn in elementary school and practice all along in our schooling, but now it becomes very formal for us, this scientific method, a way to investigate things. And then when we get to our own research, each of us, each of you, will have your own variables, your own concepts, your own topics that need to be clearly defined and that definition cited so that the reader of your research knows that you are aware of the literature of the field that's subscribed to by others that are also investigating the same phenomena. Terms and definitions aren't exactly the most exciting topics, but they are at the foundation of a successful practice of our field and us becoming scientists and scholars and researchers. Hope this helped.